Hi, welcome to Mark's Basement Arcade. Today we're going to work on one of the saucer kicker assemblies for the Williams Comet. First of all, we're going to get this thing loose. Take it apart and get it off. I am going to use power equipment on this one just to make it faster. This is what, 1/4 inch? And just to be what I always preach, take a photo of what you got going on and turn your ringer off so nobody bothers you. So otherwise my phone won't do anything all day, but then all of a sudden somebody will call as soon as I start working on a pinball machine. It never fails. It just never fails. So we got good pictures of everything. I'm just going to inspect everything. Minimal play, which is good. This isn't bent all crazy. What I kind of do want to do, I want to get the switch off. For two reasons. One, I can get this disc out to clean it. There. I'm going to go take this to the sink and wash it off and get it all cleaned off and dried. Alright, it's nice and pretty and clean again. So we can put that back. Might as well, you know, you can get it clean. I can clean it easier if I take it off. And it's only takes a couple seconds to take it off, so why not, you know what I mean? Just do it. One more thing. While we're preaching, let's clean it. The switch is a little dirty too. Get that clean too. Well, a good way to check how the switch works is with a ball. And it contacts way before the ball fully sets in there, and that's a good thing. Alright, since we're at that, we're going to take this bulb out, clean that out because that's right in the way. Get that cleaned. And we're getting like a twofer on this video. We're getting bulbs cleaned and other things done. So that is just really good isopropyl alcohol. I think it's 91 or 93%. Yeah, 91%. And then warm white frosted non-ghosting bulbs. And of course, they are Comets. Well, that is like, yeah. You'll get the famous blue marker and mark that. That way I know that's done. Alright, since this is still wet here, we'll go through and clean the spring off. Get that all cleaned. Clean this plunger off. I should get a little forceps. I grabbed a big one instead of a little one. I'll get this stuff cleaned off too. Yeah, that was a lot of dirt on this assembly. We want to get this off. So you want to get this lubricated. Get it lubricated and cleaned. With this, I'm actually kind of lucky. I really didn't need to take a picture because I have another one right here. And they all assemble the same way. But practice what you preach, Mark. Take pictures of everything. Because you never know when you're going to get into a problem. I'll take that off once we get this back together. But I do want to clean out these two holes with a little naphtha. And that's what I did use to clean all the other parts. It was naphtha. There. Those are clean. Now we will take Super Lube. Put a little dab on it. Metal to metal contact every time. Rub it on the top here and right there, because that is how everything is going to go back together. Same with this, a little bit right there and a little bit right there. That's going to do the same thing. And that spring will go right back on there. The washer, it's got its base lubed because it was right up against that metal that I lubricated. This won't get lubricated, this part right here. Where did I drop? one screw. 1, 2, 3. Yep, I dropped one screw. There it goes. There. Right there. Yeah, this won't get lubricated because it's got that, what do you call it, weird fiber washer thing. But we just do want to clean it since we're right there anyways, you know. Why not? But yeah, this will not get any oil on it because it doesn't need it. Get that little clip. Get that clean too. There. Yeah, let's do this. Right away, we'll polish this up with some steel wool. Not steel wool, green scrubby. So you notice all my green scrubbies are in different looks. This is a generic cheap one, which I really don't like that much. Here is this, just in its falling apart almost completely stage. I had some of those cheap ones I had bought, and they are totally not worth it. There. Cleaner and ready to go. So now we will now put that back together. I'm not going to fully zing these down until I get them all in the holes, or at least 2 of them in the holes. That's the way I know it's fully lined up. Get all out a little bit hand tight. That is done. Now we'll take this assembly apart, which is 2 5/16 screws. And a screwdriver that I didn't grab. No. Instead of grabbing a screwdriver, I grabbed cleaner. Phillips. These are a pain. The only reason why is because you can't get a nut driver on both. You can get it on one but not the other because they're so close to each other. So that kind of sucks. But you can see the picture. This will come off like that. Coil stop's in good shape, everything's in good shape. Sleeve comes right out. Garbage. So I got enough cleaner on here. like that. That will go like that. That will go like that. And put a screw back in here. Get a lock washer. Nylock nut for it. And of course I can't tighten it down. Sometimes when you take these off, you can spread them out far enough where you can get a nut driver on one of them. Oh, I just heard a dog walk. Just trotting across the floor. Dunk, 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 dunk. This is the hard part because these screws usually spin as you try tightening them. If you got a good screwdriver, you can just hold it in your fist like I am and tighten the screws back down. Very tight. Go like that. Go like that. Spring will go back on. Get a screw in there. Get a screw in there. Gotta move that light socket. You can see that right away. I'm gonna turn it actually. I think that'll be good. I'm gonna have to zip tie that light socket wiring. I may not. It's just like a little too close for comfort for me to the assembly. And that's it. We just rebuilt a saucer assembly. So there'll be some cool stuff along the bottom here. Please subscribe. Please like the videos. Drop a comment if you have any suggestions or anything. If it helped you out, awesome. Give me a thumbs up. Take care and later.